what's up everybody? This is Seth Jessica, Emerging Media Manager at Homes for Heroes, back with another 2-minute Tip Tuesday video. And actually today's video is going to be a 10-minute Tip Tuesday video. I know, just let me quickly explain. So today's video is by special request from one of our great Homes for Heroes real estate specialists down in Clermont, Florida, Eileen Skates. Eileen does a wonderful job of making live videos to her personal Facebook page. But what Eileen struggles with is adding subtitles to these videos. For whatever reason, I don't know, Facebook makes this extremely difficult for people to add subtitles to videos on their personal page, but they make it extremely easy for people to add subtitles to videos on a business page. I don't know why that is. You'll have to ask Mark Zuckerberg. You think there'd be an easier way to do this and he'd just make it easy for everybody, but that's what it is. So subtitles are a great addition to any video on Facebook for a couple reasons. One, if somebody's hearing impaired, it still allows them to be able to view your video and be able to understand what is being said in that video. And number two, a lot of people will scroll through their newsfeed on Facebook, but they don't always want the audio turned on. They want to see what that video is about and be able to understand it without having to turn the audio on, especially for people who are at work. So this is a great way for people to be able to view your videos and still understand the audio that is being played to that video without having to turn the actual audio on. So it's a great addition to have, but again, Facebook doesn't make it the easiest for people with a personal page. So what I do have answers to today is it's a relatively easy way, and it is a relatively fast way, and most importantly, it is a free way for you to add subtitles to your videos on your personal page. So one of the things that Eileen was struggling with was, does she hire a service to transcribe her videos, upload it into an SRT file? I told Eileen, hold on, let me take a look at it. Let me see if I can figure out a way for you to do it. And I discovered that way, and that's what I'm gonna share with you today. So let's get into Facebook, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to add subtitles to your videos on your personal Facebook page. So the first step that you're gonna wanna take is go to your personal Facebook page and find the video that you wanna add subtitles to. So this is a video that I want to add subtitles to. So I'm going to click on it and let me just mute it. So the thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make sure that I enlarge the video, and getting this enlarged screen of the video will actually give me these three dots down on the bottom right of the screen next to the share button. So if I click on these three dots, I will just want to select download video. And now the next step that you're going to want to take is go to your YouTube channel. Now, if you don't already have a YouTube channel, you're going to need one to actually put this trick into play. But I highly recommend that you create a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. It is the largest video publishing platform in the world online, and it's a great place to publish and share the video content that you create. So once you have created your YouTube channel, or once you have gone to your YouTube channel, just click on upload video. And you're going to just want to upload the video that you downloaded from Facebook. And you're just going to want to go through the process of adding all the details to your video, the title, description, thumbnail, add it to a playlist, etc., and then publish your video. And once you have actually published your video, you can go to your video tab in your YouTube Creator Studio. If you're not familiar with where your YouTube Creator Studio is, from your homepage, just go to your channel, and right underneath your banner, you'll have this YouTube Studio. You can just click on that. And then you'll get this left navigation bar, and just click on Videos. And you'll just want to go to the video that you just uploaded. And I have actually already uploaded this video. So I'm just going to want to click on this pen tool on the right hand side. And Once I click on that pen tool, I'll get these options on the left side. And if you just scroll down until you find subtitles, you can click on subtitles. And now you'll just want to go right under subtitles here, under draft, click on these three dots and edit on Classic Studio. Now YouTube will already have transcribed your audio for you, and you can see it's transcribed it. You'll just want to go through this and make any edits that you need to, so you can actually play the video and listen to it while it plays. And you can make sure that these words are matching the audio that's playing in the video. If you need to make any edits, you can certainly do so. So you could add a comma here, or just for example's sake, let's just add a period here, and then we could go down here and we could capitalize this if we wanted to. You're just going to want to make sure that you go through this and make any necessary edits that you need to make sure that the words on here match the audio in the video file. So once you've gone through this entire script and make sure that everything is transcribed properly, what you're going to want to do is go back to the top and click on Publish. Now, once your subtitles have been published, you'll get this little notification here. And what you can do is you can navigate back to the original YouTube tab that you had opened, and you'll see that under subtitles, it'll now say refresh. So just click on refresh, and you'll get these three dots again. Click on that again, and click on Edit on Classic Studio. And now you'll get that same screen. This time what you'll want to do is open this Actions tab, and you'll want to go to underneath Download and click on .srt. And what that'll do is that it will download a SRT file of the transcribed audio of your video file. So now you can go back to Facebook and actually go back to your Facebook business page. And what you're going to want to do is upload that video to your Facebook business page and add a title to it. And click Post. So Facebook is going to give you this little pop-up screen, and what you're going to want to do is click on Edit Video. So Facebook will open up the video that you just uploaded, and what you can do is go onto this right navigation bar and click on Subtitles and Captions. Now you'll want to select the language that you want to upload, and I'm going to choose English. And now you can click on Upload. Now here's an important step. If I try to click on the file that I just downloaded and try to upload that to Facebook, Facebook will reject it. It's going to tell you that it needs the file name needs to be formatted as such. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go to Upload again, and now I'm going to right click on that and click Rename, and then I'm going to go to the end of the file name and delete that SRT, and right after the period I'm going to paste what I just copied. And now if I click Open, and now your subtitle file is uploaded to Facebook. And if you go over here, you can see that everything that was transcribed in YouTube is actually now uploaded and on your video file in Facebook. So if you click on play, you can see now the subtitles are appearing on your video. And since you've made all the edits in YouTube already, you don't need to go through and do that again. So once you have done that, you can click save. And now all that's left to do is go back to your personal Facebook page and repeat the same process. So if I scroll down to the video that I wanted to originally transcribe and add subtitles to, open it again so you get this large, so the video enlarges on your screen, and go to these three dots again and click on edit video. And now you can go to choose file, and I can upload the same file and click on save.
To our nation's heroes.
So as you can see, the subtitles are not appearing, and that's because I have the video enlarged. But if I go back to my news feed and I go back to the smaller version of where the video is not opened up, you can see the subtitles appear. So that's all you need to do to add subtitles to your personal, to the videos on your personal Facebook page. So there you are, guys, another 2-minute Tip Tuesday video in the books. Actually, today's was 10 minutes, but who's counting? It's more important to have all the information in 10 minutes than half the information in 2 minutes, right? At least that's what I say. So I hope that you guys found value in this video. Again, I think subtitles are a great addition to any video on Facebook, and I hope today's tip made it relatively easy and relatively quick, and most importantly, free for you to be able to add these subtitles to your videos on your personal Facebook page. As I always do about this time on these videos, another shameless plug. If you did find this video helpful, make sure that you give it a like, and make sure that you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we publish a new episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesdays, as well as these great shows, Real Talk with Homes for Heroes and Digital Dive with Homes for Heroes. 2 great shows that are dedicated to helping you grow your business as a real estate or mortgage professional. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.